So in this slide, what we're seeing is a progression that we hope all of you will be making, and it actually even shows history. Starting on the far left side, we've got what has been the norm for many years, which is you receive a drawing, whether you are an internal supplier or whether you are a standalone machine shop or manufacturing firm. Your customer gives you a drawing, and from that drawing, either you have people that are going to create a model from that drawing and then program to it, or maybe if you're lucky, you've received a drawing and a model. The challenge is, and the challenge has been what I've been subjected to, and probably many of you still see, is that then your programmers, your inspectors, your everyone that is involved in the cycle of delivering a part to the customer has to look at the drawing for tolerances, has to look at the model for some basic geometry, and then maybe there's some conflicts in between them, and you have to go back and forth with your customer, whether internal or external, and figure out, where's the truth? What is the desire? So the next step in the progression is model-centric. So companies have started to go towards a model-centric, call it enterprise or way of doing business, whereby you receive a model and the model is the master, but still at the same time, you're going to have to refer to a drawing. As you see in the image, we've got now a 3D model and we've got a 2D drawing that's going to have the dimensions, it's going to have your tolerances, and all of the information that is necessary to get the part done. The inefficient thing as compared to model-based definition and the way forward is that now my manufacturing engineer is looking at the CAD model and the drawing. My programmer is now looking at the model, creating toolpaths to the model, and having to look at the drawing and decide, am I boring, am I reaming, am I just drilling and tapping? And he's deciding a process, looking back and forth at the two things. And then we go to inspection, and my CMM programmer has to load the model into his software, and then he has to look at the drawing and he has to enter all of the information as far as GD&T, the nominal dimensions, where my datums are and all of those kinds of things, which can even be hard to find. I mean, if you're dealing with a large part, oftentimes it can be difficult to find those datums. It can be difficult to find dimensions related to a feature.